How to use the word lack correctly from espressoenglish.net. I've noticed some of my students making a little mistake with the word lack, so this lesson will help you learn which one to use, lack or lack of. It's a very small detail, but it's important to learn so that your English grammar is correct. If you'd like to get corrections on your grammar, join my Advanced English Grammar course, which includes writing tasks that you can send me for feedback. First, let's look at the definition of the word lack. It refers to absence, or being without, or having less than what is needed. So if you say, "This food lacks salt," it means there is no salt or not enough salt in the food. Some students make the mistake of saying, "This food lacks of salt." That's incorrect. When lack is used as a verb, we do not use of. We just say lack followed by the thing that is missing, or that there isn't enough of. Here are some more examples. The project lacked funding, so it was canceled. He lacks motivation to study. I just started working, so I'm lacking experience. In those sentences, lack functions as a verb. But lack can also be used as a noun, and when lack is used as a noun, then we do say lack of plus the thing that is missing or insufficient. Look at these examples of lack being used as a noun. The project was canceled due to a lack of funding. His lack of motivation to study results in bad grades. I was disqualified from the job based on my lack of experience. So to clarify, when using lack as a verb, it's followed directly by an object. This food lacks salt. When using lack as a noun, then we say lack of plus the object. The lack of salt makes this food inedible. It's understandable that these little details of English grammar can be confusing. That's why I created the Advanced English Grammar course, to help make the rules of the language clear and to help you put them into practice in your own English. Click on the link in the video or in the description for more information and to sign up.